Welcome back. Our modeling paste is now completely dry, so now we can apply the glue to our canvas. After applying the glue, we need to wait for 2 hours, then we can apply the gold leaf. I'm just mixing my glue because my glue is old. If you get a new one, you should not have a problem. So I will start from a side to know where I have applied the glue. Because the glue is white, our modeling paste is white, it's hard to see, so it's better to start from one side and finish on one side. The waiting time for the glue is minimum 2 hours, but you can wait for a day as well if you don't want to do it after 2 hours. Nothing will happen to the glue. I have tried that before, but I heard some of the glues are different. But with my experience, I have waited 24 hours, 2 hours, and it was alright. But if you don't wait enough time, the outcome is not going to look good. So this step is done. We'll wait and then we will apply the gold leaf. See you soon.